Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the review of BRC examination which is held on 27th of September. This is the part 1 videos, and the question which I have received is it's from a student who is appearing the examination, and if you have some data plus minus, then just consider about those things. Do not go on that particular topic because the candidate who has remembered that data, it's already appreciated to them. So just take care about these things. So we will start the video, and if you have any doubt related to this, do mention in a comment box. So let's begin with the videos. So the first question was related to the engineering mechanics. They have asked two questions, and one is from the TUS. Basically they will provide the structure. You need to find the force in the particular member of AB. So you need to just do either section method or another method by the joint, but make sure that this not take too much time like that. But the question mainly focused on section method. So if you have a candidate who is appearing the examination, he must go with the section method. And like a few cases where the center beam is 0, in that case we will go with normal like joint method. And the next question which is asked in the mechanics, engineering mechanics, was friction. Basically this diagram they have given, and some like reaction force we will find what was the normal force, like that. Something they have asked about that. Just take overlook of that before going to any other examinations. The next question is asked about the strength of material. They will provide the question. In the question they have mentioned about the diameter of the solid shaft, which is 153 mm, and they have mentioned the length about that shaft, and they have also provided the load which is acting in tensile in nature, and the diameter of the shaft reduced to certain diameter and length as well. So you need to find the Young's modulus of the material. So that type of question they have asked it. Around 10 to 15 questions from the strength of material, and you need to just take a look. And these questions ask about the pressure vessels, and they have provided with the internal diameter and thickness, and you need to, and they have also provided the external pressure which is acting on it, and you need to find the thickness, how much thickness required for the vessel. Next question is related to the decreasing order of buckling load. They will provide the 4 diagram, and based on that they will give the option. Next question related to the, they will provide a strength of material is the same subject is going on. They will provide the Young's modulus, factor of safety, yield distance of the material they will given it, and use the maximum principal strain energy theory to calculate the data. So you need to calculate the maximum strain energy. So the question number 6 is also related to strength of material. Going ahead with the next one, you need to just calculate the reaction of that cases, like question number 7th and 8th. They will provide the one of the question, they will provide the deflection, other question related to the moment, and one more question is asked about that. You need to just calculate the reaction of particular beam. Make sure that these type of question is too lengthy. If you stuck in that, then it takes more than 5 to 6 minutes for each and every student. The candidate who is appearing the examination, they also shared the same review. Few of the candidates stuck with the deflection question. They solve even 8 to 9 minutes for a single question. We still not get the exact answer which they have mentioned in option. So remember, any of the examination who is going to appear out by the candidate, make sure that you need to get the output with the time limit. You need to maintain accuracy along with the time management, both the factor of these things while going to any of the examination. This deflection type of question is too lengthy, so I have already suggested the student do not attempt the deflection question and the question which have a complicated diagram in it. Still few of the candidate has appeared. So the next question is related to the deflection, and next question with the strain energy. If you remember that last year also exactly same deflection type of question repeated maximum time, around 5 to 6 question is specifically from in a sum is directly related to the deflection, 4 to 5 questions. Same year, same thing is happening this year as well. 4 questions from deflection and 3 questions from strain energy, which is related to the diagram based question. And is related to that is the basically twisting moment they will provide to that, and length of the shaft is also provided along with the rigidity. I need to basically calculate the twist they have provided with the diameter. One more question is coming with the bending, and you need to just calculate the what was the bending moment acting on the point. So these are the total sum questions, around 7 to 8 question, around 10 question is given in a paper, but 5 to 6 question is student has remembered. This is not the exact data which they have asked, something around that they will provide the data. The next question is related to machine design. They will related to the, like, you need to calculate the number of coil, which is related to the spring chapter, and basically they have provided with the like a mean coil diameter and the stiffness of the spring and modulus of rigidity, and you need to calculate the number of coils. And next question is related to the brake chapter, and you need to find the forces acting on it. And going with from the bolted joint, and one more question is coming from the welded joint as well, but these diagrams are provided as too complicated, which is not remember as of now, so just mention over the topic over here. And going ahead with that, the theory of machine, around 5 to 6 questions they have also asked in theory of machine. Basic question like number of instantaneous center, they have asked one of the question, and in this question you need to calculate the what was the mechanism having in it. They have option 4 option, double crank, crank and rocker, double rocker, like that they will given the option. You need to basically calculate based on a given diagram. Next question is related to the frequency. They will provide the diagram. You need to just take a balance, try to draw FVD and balance it and put it over equation. You will get the frequency. Next question is damped vibration, and this is the basic question which is coming in ESE examination. And one question is coming from gyroscope and one question from flywheel, but the gyroscope question is too lengthy, and the student has not attempted this type of question as well in examination. But in case of flywheel, they will provide the equation. You need to just calculate the torque, like that. In this part, I have explained only few of the subject like engineering, mechanics, strength of material, machine design and term, and few other questions are still pending, but I am not able to create it. But going ahead for the next day, I definitely provide the other set of questions as well for your future reference. If you have any type of doubt as of now, put it over comments box. Also give a feedback to a videos. Definitely subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.